Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that promises to simplify your cooking experience, the ABOOFAN stainless steel reusable hot pot. This isn't just any pot, it's designed with everyday use and versatility in mind, making it a potential workhorse for both home cooks and professional kitchens. Let's start with the build quality. This is a stainless steel construction, which immediately tells us it's built for durability. The material itself is known for its resistance to rust and corrosion, meaning this pot should stand up to frequent use and washing without degrading. The description mentions it's thickened, which is crucial for even heat distribution. A thin pot can lead to hot spots and uneven cooking, so this is a promising sign for consistent results. One of the standout features highlighted is the double handle design. This is more than just an aesthetic choice, it's a practical consideration for safety and convenience. Carrying a hot pot, especially one filled with liquid or food, can be precarious. Having two sturdy handles provides better control and stability, reducing the risk of spills and burns. The description also notes that the handles are designed to be anti-scalding and non-slip, which are essential for safe operation in a busy kitchen environment. Furthermore, the tight welding process mentioned for the handles suggests they are securely attached, preventing wobbling or detachment, even with regular use. The ABOOFAN pot is also promoted as being multifunction. This is where its appeal really broadens. While it's called a hot pot, the flat pan design with a relatively low rim makes it incredibly versatile. It's ideal for traditional hot pot preparations, allowing ingredients to simmer gently and evenly. But its utility doesn't stop there. This could easily function as a large wok for stir-frying, a pan for searing meats, or even for simmering large batches of soup or stew. The daily use food wok and household hot pot descriptions reinforce this idea of it being a go-to item for a variety of culinary tasks. Cleaning is often a major concern with kitchenware, and this pot seems to address that directly. The smooth surface design makes it easy to clean and save time. Stainless steel, when properly polished, is inherently non-porous and resistant to food sticking. This means fewer stubborn bits and less scrubbing required after meals. The well-polished surface and very convenient to clean are repeated points, suggesting that ease of maintenance was a key design consideration. This is a significant pro for anyone who dreads post-meal cleanup. The dimensions provided, 32 cm in diameter, 24 cm in width, and 5 cm in height, give us a good sense of its capacity. This is a substantial size, suitable for cooking for a family or for entertaining guests. The 5 cm depth is moderate, making it agile enough for quick cooking methods like stir-frying, while still deep enough to hold liquids for simmering or hot pot. The fact that it can be hung up when not in use is a small but useful detail, promoting efficient storage, especially in smaller kitchens. Now, let's consider the pros and cons. On the positive side, the durable stainless steel construction is a major win. The double-handle design offers enhanced safety and ease of handling. Its multifunctional nature means it can replace several other kitchen tools, saving space and money. The easy-to-clean surface is a huge convenience factor for busy individuals. The generous size makes it suitable for a variety of cooking needs, from family meals to gatherings. Finally, the tight welding and anti-scalding handles contribute to a safer cooking experience. However, there are a few potential considerations. While stainless steel is generally excellent, some users might find it can sometimes lead to sticking if not used with sufficient oil or if the heat isn't managed properly. This isn't a flaw of the pot itself, but rather a characteristic of the material that users should be aware of. The description mentions non-magnetic, which is good for induction cooktops, but it would be beneficial to know if it's compatible with all types of stoves, including gas, electric, and induction. Lastly, while it's described as reusable, the lifespan of any kitchen item ultimately depends on care and maintenance. In conclusion, the ABOOFAN stainless steel reusable hot pot appears to be a well-designed and practical addition to any kitchen. Its focus on durability, safety, and ease of use makes it a strong contender for anyone looking for a versatile cooking vessel. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, this pot has the potential to become an indispensable tool for your daily culinary adventures. Link in the description.